In this HeyGen AI tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate a realistic AI talking avatar of yourself or convert a still image into a talking AI video. And this is one of the best tools out there that can do exactly that. If you haven't signed up for HeyGen yet, you simply need to click on the first link in this video's description, and it will take you straight to the official HeyGen website. Once you're here, click on Sign In and sign up with a completely new account. This will make sure you get to create 3 videos completely for free. Once you sign up, your dashboard might look like this, or it might look slightly different depending on the latest updates. Right now, it's showing us the HeyGen AI video agent as the dashboard. But since we want to create an AI avatar, let's jump straight into it. On the left sidebar, you'll see the avatar option. Simply click on it. Then click on the Quick Create option right over here. Here you've got 2 options. You can either convert your script into a video or convert a photo into a video. But before that, the main thing you'll want to do is create your own AI avatar first. To do that, head to the Manage section, where you'll see the Avatars option, and click on it. Here you have the option to create avatars for yourself, and you can also see some of the previous avatars that I've already created. To create a new one, simply click on the New Avatar button at the top. When you click on it, you get 2 options. You can either clone a real person, that is, create a clone of yourself, or you can create a virtual character. Let's say you want to create a clone of yourself. With this feature, you can use your real video footage to create an avatar that looks, moves, and sounds exactly like you. So I'll click on it. Now it will ask you to enable your camera and microphone. You simply enable them and record your video. You can also click on Record by Phone instead and just record a short video of yourself so the AI can reference it and create your clone. Apart from that, if you already have a video of yourself recorded, you can simply click on the Upload Footage option and upload the footage right over here. They also share a few tips so your avatar turns out better. Speak expressively for at least 15 seconds. Use natural expressions and gestures, pause between sentences, and choose a quiet, well-lit space. So go ahead and upload your footage right over here. I have a piece of AI-generated footage that I created, so I'll upload it. Let me play it for just a few seconds for you. This is a video that I generated using HeyGen itself.
In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Supabase account to Lovable. If you haven't signed up for Lovable yet, you can click the first link in the description.
Below that, you have the option to name your avatar. You can name it anything. Once your video is uploaded, simply click on the Create Avatar option, and it will start creating your own AI avatar from the video you uploaded. Here you can also choose different looks for your avatar based on how you want to use it. You got multiple options such as studio streamer, lawyer, fitness, presenter, real estate, or professor. You can either skip this step or choose to generate new looks. For now, I'll click on Skip for now. Next, you have the option to generate a voice for your AI avatar. You can either record your voice and create a clone from it, or use the voice from the footage you're cloning. I'll simply click on Use this voice, and now it will use the same voice from your footage as the voice for your character. This takes us to the video editing page, the AI Studio, where we can edit our videos. One of the best things about HeyGen is that you need to verify your identity before creating any AI avatar. This ensures that nobody else can misuse your AI avatar, and in most cases, you'll use this option to create your own personal AI avatar. In this case though, just for demo purposes, I've uploaded an AI-generated look, so you simply click on the Verify option right over here. It will then give you a quick step where you record yourself reading a short prompt, and the avatar will get locked to your account. Then click on New Avatar again, and the next option we have is to create a virtual character. Here you've got 2 options. You can either upload a photo you already have or design one with AI. Let's say I select Design with AI. Now it asks a few questions. First, what you want to name your avatar. Let's name it Jacob. Then, what age you want your character to be. Let's say early middle age. You can select the gender. I'll select man. For ethnicity, you can pick one. Let's select white. Here you also have the option to describe the appearance of your character, or if you already have something in mind, you can describe it right over here. Simply click on Try a Sample, and a sample will be generated. Then you can select the orientation. Landscape, portrait, or square. Let's say I'll select landscape. Next, choose the pose, full body, upper body, or just the face. I'll select upper body. And here you can pick a style such as realistic, Pixar, cinematic, vintage, or cyberpunk. I'll select realistic and then click on Generate Preview. As you can see, it has generated 4 images for us. You can select any one of them, generate them again using the option at the bottom, or edit your prompt and then pick one of these avatars. Now, let's say I already have a photo. I'll just upload the photo I generated earlier using another image model. So this is that photo, and now it asks us to name the avatar. Let's say I'll enter Demo as the avatar name and click on Create. From here, similar to the previous step where we generated the avatar inside the agent, the entire process remains the same. Now you have the option to choose the voice for your avatar. You can go to Voice Design and describe the kind of voice you want, and an AI voice will be generated for you to use. Other than that, there's the My Voices section, where you can upload a voice you already have on your PC and use that. Here's a voice I'd already uploaded. I can simply select it and proceed. There's also the HeyGen library, which has multiple built-in voices. You can listen to any of them, and if you like one, you can go ahead and use it. You also have the option to clone your voice. Just click on Clone Voice, and it will ask for permission to access your microphone. You then record a script they provide, and your voice will get cloned. Additionally, there's the Upload Audio option, where you can upload audio you already have on your PC, and your voice will be cloned from that. So let's go back to the voices. This is a voice I already uploaded. Let me play it. Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is your voice clone preview. Okay, so this is our voice. I'll select it. You can also pull in voices from third parties such as 11 Labs. Alright, our avatar is now ready along with its look and its voice. Apart from that, you can also click on Design with AI, where you can remix this look, turning it into any scene or character, or simply describe what you want. But one thing to be aware of is that this will consume your AI credits, so be careful with how many credits you use. So our avatar is ready and we've selected our voice. Now comes the main part, where we'll generate our video. Simply go to the Quick Create option at the top. If you go to the Script to Video option, you'll see the character we just created. Click on it, and your character will get selected. Then you've got a few settings here. You can select landscape or portrait. Let's say I want a landscape video, so I'll select it. You can also choose to fill the screen or fit to the screen. I'll select Fit to Screen. Then, here you simply paste the script you want the character to say. You also have the option to record the audio, or click on the Upload option to upload a file you've already saved. I'll select this and then click on Next. Now you have the option to select the avatar model inside the agent. As you can see, there are multiple options. You can choose Avatar 5, which is the latest and best model, giving character-consistent motion styles that adapt to the script. Then there's the Avatar 4 model, which gives more generic motion that adapts to the script. And there's Avatar 3, which applies lip sync and is available for unlimited usage. One thing to note, Avatar 5 and Avatar 4 consume your AI credits, whereas with Avatar 3 you can create unlimited videos. Just for demo purposes, I'll select Avatar 5, which is one of the best models out there. Then you have the option to select the quality of your video. I always recommend going with 1080p. Apart from that, there are a few advanced settings where you can give your character a more expressive look. You can enable or disable this based on your preference. Let's say I'll keep it on. Here you can also set a custom motion you want your avatar to perform. You can describe it or pick from a few preset options like these. I'll select the Calm option, and that prompt will get added. You can customize this further to your preference, and you also have the option to open it in the AI Studio. This is going to consume 2 credits, so I'll click on Generate for 2 credits, and now our video will start generating. As you can see, it says the video is generating. View in Projects. Whenever you generate something, you can find it in the left sidebar. If I go to the All Projects section, you can see our avatar video is generating, and we'll have to wait some time until the processing is complete. Apart from that, if I go back to Avatar, you'll also see a Photo to Video option, which is similar to Script to Video. The only difference is that instead of using the avatar we already created, you simply upload a photo right over here, or you can try a sample photo. Let's say I'll select this sample photo. Here you can paste your script, select a voice, choose the quality and advanced settings, just like before. Then you simply click Enter, and just like the script to video process, a similar video will be generated for photo to video as well. So it's completely similar. The only difference is whether you upload a photo or use an avatar you've already created. So that was all about avatars. All right, it looks like our video has been generated. Let's have a look at the quality of the video. I'll click on the video and play it. So here's our video. Let me play it.
In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Supabase account to Lovable. If you haven't signed up for Lovable yet, you can click the first link in the description and sign up with a new email to get 25 credits for free.
As you can see, the movements look completely natural and the quality of the video is very high. It has also generated a perfect lip sync with the audio, so this looks very good. On the right side, you've got other options as well. You can edit this video inside their own AI Studio, which is their built-in video editor. You can click on Translate to translate it into any other language. You also have the option to upscale the video. So if the video you generated is in low quality, you can upscale it to higher quality. There's auto clips, so if your video is very long, you can cut it into short clips. You can also change the thumbnail for your video, and you've got the transcript for your video too. Now, let's say we want to make changes to this. Simply click on New Revision in AI Studio, and here we are in the AI Studio. On the left side, you'll see the entire transcript of the audio we uploaded earlier. In the center, you can see the preview of our video. Below that is the entire timeline, and on the right side, we have multiple options to choose from. First, we have the avatar. You can click on it to change your avatar or create a completely new look from here, and you can keep the same audio for your new avatar. This lets you change the avatar without redoing everything. Then you have the option to select the voice. You can also select the motion engine here, which is the Avatar 5 model we just used. Next, you have the option to change the avatar background. You can remove the background from this video. I'll click on it, and as you can see, it's applying the avatar effect. Within a few seconds, the entire background of our video has been removed. You can also click on Customize and select a background from any of these stock images. These don't look great, but apart from that, you can upload any image from your PC, or you can prompt the AI, and you can select from multiple AI image generation models, all the way from GPT image to Nano Banana, and generate a background for your AI avatar. Let me go back. Apart from that, you've got the layout options. Right now, it's in the original layout, which is 16:9 landscape. You can also click on Circle, and it will convert it into a circle layout. This is useful when you're creating tutorial videos and want your character to appear in a corner at a small size within the video. So those were all the changes we made. Let's say we want to apply these changes to our video. At the bottom, you'll see the number of credits this will consume, in this case, 25 of our AI credits. You can simply click on Render, and it will generate a preview of the changes you made. So those were the settings. Apart from that, you've got the AI tools right over here, including the scriptwriter, the motion designer, the image generator, and the video generator. You can also select the media option from the right sidebar, where you can add different images and videos or upload them from your PC. Then there's Elements, where you can add things to your video, such as a name card or headlines, and you can even add captions. Let's click on Caption, and as you can see, the captions get applied to our video. Here you can also change things like the font of your captions, the position, the size, and the color style. You've also got the music option in the sidebar, where you can select any track from their library or upload your own custom music from your PC. Then there's a separate Captions option, where you have multiple styles to choose from. You can select any one of these or customize them to your preference. Apart from that, they've also got a screen recorder, where you can record your screen and add your own AI avatar explaining the screen recording. They also have multiple AI features to make your videos cleaner. You can fix mistakes later, and it will automatically remove all the filler words and awkward pauses. You can also add an AI presenter without you having to be on camera, which saves you a lot of time and effort. On the right sidebar, you've got templates, which are useful when you want to create a presentation-style video with your AI avatar. Then you've got layers, where you can view the other layers you've added on top of your video. So those were all the features that HeyGen has to offer in the AI Studio. And this is how you can create your own AI talking avatar of yourself, convert any image into an AI avatar, or generate your own custom AI avatar character. Apart from AI avatars, HeyGen has many more features if you want to explore them. Simply go to the left sidebar and click on the Apps option. you'll be taken to all the different tools and apps that HeyGen has inside it. Just like the AI Studio we checked out, you can translate your videos into up to 125 languages. You can create high-quality cinematic shots of your avatars with AI-powered scenes. This basically uses Seedance 2.0, but the downside is that it consumes a lot of credits, so it's expensive to create. You can also convert any PPT or PDF into a video. You can generate AI videos, turn your long videos into short clips using Instant Highlights version 2, and upscale your low-resolution videos into high-resolution. You can create a product placement video with your AI avatar, create multiple videos at once, swap faces with any other video. You can generate images, just like we did in the AI Studio, using multiple AI models. There's also Auto Edit, which automatically identifies and removes unwanted words while keeping your cuts seamless. And you can create interactive videos and even build a live avatar. So these are all the features beyond the main AI avatar generation. You can explore them on your own based on your needs and preferences. You've also got the integrations option right over here. Let's say you want to automate the process of generating your videos. You can connect your HeyGen account to multiple integrations such as ChatGPT, N8N, Slacks, and many others, and automate your workflows. So that was all about the features of HeyGen. If you want to try it out, just sign up using the link in the description, and you'll get 3 video generations absolutely for free. Now let's look at the pricing plans HeyGen has to offer. Simply click on Plans and Pricing on the left sidebar, and a pricing pop-up will appear. You've got the free plan, which offers 1 video per month and lets you create videos up to 1 minute long. You'll be able to create a custom digital twin with standard video processing, which takes a fair amount of time. You also get access to 500 plus stock digital twins they already have in their library, so you don't need to generate your own. The free trial also gives you access to premium features such as Avatar 4, one of their premium models. You can create videos with the agent, and you can translate your videos with lip sync into 30 plus languages. So that's everything you get on the free plan. With the creator plan, which costs $29 per month on the monthly plan, or $24 per month if you choose the yearly plan, you get multiple features. You can create videos up to 30 minutes long, create a custom digital twin, get unlimited photo avatars, and access almost 700 stock digital twins. You'll be able to clone your voice in 1 in 75 plus languages and dialects, and your videos will process faster. Although I'm on the creator plan, I've noticed the processing is still quite slow. So you can just imagine how slow it will be on the free plan. You can export your videos in 1080p quality, and if you're a brand, you can upload your brand kit so your videos align with your brand style. There's also a HeyGen watermark on the free plan, and upgrading completely removes that watermark. Apart from that, you get access to video generation with Avatar 4, as well as the latest Avatar 5 model, use of the agent, lip sync, custom AI avatars and looks, and advanced AI image generation and video models. And finally, you've got the Pro plan. If you're a serious business owner or a content creator looking to scale up, this is the best plan for you. It normally costs $99 per month, but if you choose the yearly plan, it comes down to $79 per month, and you get 10 times more premium usage. The videos are processed very fast. You get edited and proofread translation scripts, and you can export your videos in 4K quality. You get the latest video generation model along with the AI agent, plus all the other features from the creator plan. So those are all the pricing plans and the features they offer. If you want to see a full comparison, simply click on See Full Comparison. Let's say you want to upgrade to the Pro plan. Click on Choose Pro, and it will redirect you. Since I'm already on the creator plan, it won't let me proceed to checkout. But once you click on it, you'll be taken to a Stripe checkout page where you can complete your payment. So that was all about HeyGen, and that's how you can create your own AI digital twin or talking avatar right inside it. If you haven't signed up for HeyGen yet, use the first link in the description to sign up. And if you want to know how to get free credits on Lovable or Base 44, some of the best vibe coding tools out there, simply click right here.